Hello, assalamu alaikum. Myself Abdullah Arijo, batch BSCS batch 2K70 from Sindh University, Ladakhan campus. Here is my pre- here is my presentation about operating research. Subject operating research Com 506 BS Computer Science Part 3 first semester. Agenda Agenda History of Operation Research. Operation Research Texture of OR Graphical Method. Example of graphical method: the transportation problem. Example of transportation problem: history. History. Operational research has been across as a science since 1930, when it began in a systematic way, but as a formula discipline. Operational research created by the effort of military planner during World War II. Since the time, operational research has expanded into a field widely used in industries ranging from petrochemical or airline, financing, logistics, and government. Now it has become an area of active academic and industrial research. Operations research, the discipline of applying advanced analytical methods to help make better decisions. OR is a problem solving and decision taking technique. The techniques of operational research have been applied and proven in many industries under different names. For instance, lean manufacturers, supply chain in logistics, and yield management in airlines. Factors of operate OR decision making. Every industrial organization faces multifaceted problem to identify best possible solution of their problem. Scientific approach or applies scientific method technique and tools for the problems in the approach. There is no place for guesswork and the person bias of the decision maker. Methodology of operation research. Understand the actual real situation, capture the same and define the problem, formal and methodical model. Application of operating research. It is considered as a kit out of scientific and problem rules which provide the management activities basic for decision concurring the operation under under its control. Graphical method. Graphical method. Graphical method is used to solve problem by finding the highest or lowest point of intersection between the object function line and the perceivable region on the graph. What is purpose of graphical method? We use a graphical method of linear program for solving the problem by finding out the maximum or lowermost point of the intersection on a graph between the objective function line and feasible region. Example: max z 4 divide plus 10y sub to contain 15 divide plus 3y 10 21 divide uh, plus 4y. X is equal 0. 1 5 plus 3y is equal 10. X is equal 0. 15 0 is plus 3y is equal 10. 0 is 0 plus 3y is equal 10. Y is equal 10 or 3. Y is equal 3.3. 50 multiply plus 3y is equal 10. 21 multiply plus 14y is equal to 25. Y is equal 0. 3 is plus 3 0 is equal 10. 1 5 multiply 3 0 is equal 10. 5 multiply plus 0 is equal 10. X is equal 10 of 50. X is equal 0.6 plus 14y is equal 25. Y is equal 25 or 40. 21 multiply plus 14y is equal 25. 14 0 is equal 25. 21 multiply x is equal 25 1. X is equal 0.1. S is equal x y x y s point x is equal 0 3.0 3.3 0.60. S point x is equal 0 0.7 0.1 0. Corner point 0 0 is equal 0 plus 10 0 is equal 0. 0.1 0 is equal 4 0.1 plus 10 0 is equal 0.4. 0.7 is equal 4 0 plus 10 0.7 is equal 7. The max value are satisfied the object function. For finding value of advantages of graphical method. Graphical method quick and easy to use and make visual sense. Collections can be done with little or no special software. needed. Visual test of model I how well the point line up and additional benefit. The transportation problem. The transportation problem, it is a linear problem, pro programming technique. The transportation problem deals with transport or shipping of any product from organ source to destination. Destination, where organs has supply to unit, the destination has demand demand for unit delivered from organs. Objective of transportation problem. The main objective of transportation problem is to minimize the total transportation cost while distribution product from number source to not to the node of destination. Suppose there are three factories which produce the same product having capacity, demand. Each factory can transport to each destination. The cost of transportation may be different. Source, destination, demand. Types of transportation problem. There are two types of transportation problem. Balanced transportation problem, unbalanced transportation problem. Structure. So this is general structure transportation model. That is destination. D1, D2, D3 supply. That is the organs. 1 C11, C12, C13, A1. Number 2 C aqua, C22, C23, A2. Number 3 C31, C32, C33, A3. Demand B1, B2, B3. That is supply. Balanced transportation problem. The transportation problem is said that to be balanced transportation problem is totally number of some supply is the same total number of demand. D1, D2, D3, D4 supply. O1, C11, C12, C13, C40, A1. Number 2 C aqua, C22, C23, C21, A2. Number 3 C31, C32, C33, C31, A3. Demands B1, B2, B3, B4, AI is equal BHA. If total no of supply is equal to total no of demand is called balanced transportation problem. Transportation. Now there are two cases. Case number 1. If AIBJ is total supply is greater than total demand, then add dummy columns with zero transportation cost. Case 2. If ZIBJ is totally supply is less than total demand, then add dummy row with zero transportation cost. Unbalanced transportation problem. If total supply is not equal to total number of demand is now called unbalanced transportation problem. D1, D2, D3, D4 supply 1 C11, C12, C30, C40, A1 2 C21, C22, C23, C21, A2 3 C31, C32, C33, C31, A3. Demand B1, B2, B3, B4, AI, Beji. Now in the cell here summation AI, Beji. This is total no supply is not equal to total no of demand is called balance transportation problem. Example D1, D2, D3, D4 supply 0, 1, 13, 34, 35, 10, 8. Number 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. Number 3, 198, 3, 4, 50. Demand 308, 1010 AIBJ is equal BJ. Here total supply is greater than total demand. AI is equal 8 plus 10 plus 50 is equal 68. BJ is equal 13 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 is equal 58. So now we add dummy column D1, D2, D3, D5. Number 1, 13, 33, 4, 2, 5, 10, 0, 8. Number 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 0, 10. Number 3, 0, 1, 9, 8, 3, 4, 0, 5, 0. Demand 3, 0, 8, 10, 10, 10, 6, 8. Dummy column. AI is equal 8 plus 10 plus 50 is equal 68. BJ is equal 13 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal 68. Now total sup supply is supply is 68 and total number of demand also 68. Therefore problem becomes balance. Example 2 D1, D2, D3, D4 supply. Number 1 30, 34, 25, 10, 8. Number 2 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. Number 3 0, 1, 98, 3, 4, 50. Demand 3, 4, 10, 10, 10. Here demand 3, 4, 10, 10, 10. Here is the total demand is greater than total supply. AI is equal 8 plus 10 plus 50 is equal 68. PJ is equal 30 plus 8 plus 8 plus 10 is equal 17.4. So now we add dummy row. After adding dummy row, D1, D2, D3, D4 supply 1 0 1 3 0 3 4 2 5 10 8. Number 2 3 4 8 9 10. Number 3 0 1 9 8 3 4 5 0. Number 4 0 0 0 0 6 dummy row. Demands 3 4 2 0 10 10. AI is equal 8 plus 10 plus 50 plus 6 is equals 74. BJ is equal plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal 74. Total supply is 74 and total no number of demand also same 74. Therefore problem become is balance. Hope you understood the transportation problem. Thank you. Here is my presentation over.